Quito, the capital of Ecuador and a popular tourist destination. Let's try to find some beautiful places in it. Middle of the World is one of Ecuador's most popular tourist attractions and a must-see for any visiting the country. The equator here is accessible to everyone. It'll be easier than ever to take a cheesy photo with one foot in each hemisphere. The Basilica of the National Vow, an imposing gray Catholic cathedral. It is located in the historic center of the city, also known as El Casco and Iguo. This area was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO on September 8, 1978, often referred to simply as the Basilica. It is an impressive building, built in a neo-Gothic style.
Hasta la vuelta, Señor.
Is Quito's perfect restaurant for fine dining. This restaurant offers a variety of dishes and drinks that will satisfy anyone's taste buds. The restaurant is located in the heart of Quito and just steps away from the major attractions. The ambience is perfect for a date night or an intimate dinner with friends. The Monument to Independence on Independence Square. Dedicated to the heroes of the 10th of August, 1809. Date remembered as the first cry of Spanish-American independence. the church and convent of
San Ignacio de Loyola de la Compañía de Jesús de Quito.
Also known in Ecuadorian popular lore simply as La Compañía, is a Catholic clerical complex. The facade of its main temple, carved entirely of volcanic stone, is considered one of the most important expressions of Baroque architecture in the Americas and the world. San Francisco Square is located in the historic center of the city. It is dominated by the imposing facade of the church and convent of San Francisco, settling in one of the most representative urban scenarios of the city since colonial times, when its central fountain supplied water to the neighbors for centuries. Does Ecuador have good chocolate? Absolutely. In fact, Ecuadorian chocolates have received global awards and recognition for fine quality over recent years. Whereas Ecuador's best cocoa beans used to be exported, today they stay in the country to be transformed into delicious dark bar. An exciting new trend for fine Ecuadorian dark chocolate has swept the country. A wonderful day spent in a wonderful city. Goodbye, Quito.